skateboard. There isn't a room in this house where you can kind of escape from the realities of parenthood. The kids' stuff is everywhere. At the end of an evening, really, really tired, the kids have gone to bed. I want to have a bit of escapism. There's no grown-up hour space. We don't have like a family space. We're all sitting at the island in the kitchen, like trying to rush through breakfast, lunch and dinner. The dining room is an undefined space. Slowly her toys started taking over. We don't really dine there anymore.
Wow!
I'm holding back so many tears right now, you have no idea. This table has great space for painting, drawing, and there's also storage. You can never have enough storage.
Oh, Ava, look at your kitchen!
The playroom, absolutely amazing. Nothing gravitates away from this room anymore, like it all is contained. Yeah, it's a little girl's dream come true, isn't it, this room? Every room in the house has become like a play den. There isn't a room in the house where we can chill out.
Gobsmacked, like I'm speechless. Ava, this is Mummy Daddy's space.
So far, it's fantastic. It's very deep, it's very comfortable, it's very soft. I'm absolutely in love with it.
Then we'll actually talk about our day and engage with each other because I just think it's the atmosphere of the room. It makes you want to be in here. I like a space where we can sit down and have a proper family meal. I don't want my kids thinking it's all about takeout.
Wow! Oh, wow!
Everything's so beautiful now.
Look how open it is, the space.
All the finish on the cupboards, all the handles, lovely drawers.
We've actually got a dining table.
We can eat there like a family.
It's really made a difference. It just feels more like a home now.